Hi, my friends. I'd like to talk to you today about expanded form. But before we get into expanded form, let's review what we already know about place value. So, as a visual, I have pulled up our vertical 10 frames that stand for the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place, because this is something that's a little bit more familiar for us. We know that when we see a peg in the vertical tens frame in the ones place, that stands for the number 1, because there is a 1 in the ones place. This continues by adding 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We know that when we get to 10, there is no longer any room left in this 10 frame. So we need to move all of these to the next space. So 10 of the ones place is the same as 110 over here. Because this is 110 and 0 ones, and it is still the number 10. If this were to continue, we would add tens to the tens vertical 10 frame until it was filled up. And it would look like this. As soon as I add my 10th tens, I know that it will no longer fit in this 10 frame, and it will need to move to the hundreds place. And that will stand for 100. Because I have 1 in the hundreds place, 0 in the tens place, and 0 in the ones place. So let's talk about expanded form. I'm going to create a number in our vertical 10 frame, and let's make it look like this. Can you tell me what number this stands for in the vertical 10 frames? Well, let's take a look. We have a 1 in the hundreds place, a 2 in the tens place, and a 1 in the ones place. So this stands for 121. If we were to write this in expanded form, we're kind of pulling out the zeros. Let's take a look. So now we have a same thing, 100. We have 20. And we have 1. So in expanded form, it would be 100 plus 20 plus 1. And that is the same thing as 121. Let's try another one. Can you tell me what this represents in expanded form? Well, let's take a look. How many hundreds do you see? There is 100, 200, 300. And how many tens do you see? There is 1, 10. And then how many ones do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So in expanded form, this is 300 plus 10 plus 5, or 315.